Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Go-Karts Gone Fishing. I literally just drug out this Honda Fourtrax 300. I believe it's a 89 trx300 two-wheel drive. I have the title for this bike. I got it from South Carolina when I picked up the blue bike over yonder. And this is going to be Mrs. Cart's bike, so she's working on it at the moment. So this won't last long. So I had her clean up the hose clamp for the carburetor. Actually, I cleaned it up. She's gonna put that on. I got a brand new carburetor she's gonna put on there. She's gonna do it all by herself. So let's see if she can figure it out. Put the hose clamp on there, Bev. Go. Quick, like a bunny. I'm not gonna show you. I'll show just your hands. Mrs. Karts is wearing a bikini right now. And she doesn't want you to see.
Because this thing goes in.
Remember I showed you that notch?
It goes in there, like that. Just making sure that's screwed in.
I have a longer one over on the tool bench. So now she's going to take the new carburetor. Just imagine Mrs. Karts right now in a string bikini.
Will you quit?
You can see that on our OnlyFans. Go-Karts Gone Fishing OnlyFans.
Do not have OnlyFans.
And she do it. Rock it. Now you have to get that lip in there all the way. Push on the carburetor. Use your muscles.
Yeah. I'm not strong enough for a
There you go. Twist it. There you go. Work it. Oh, you broke
it. Came out
it.
of the back.
Oh, let me see. Is it all? No, see, it's still that lip. She's gonna get it. We'll give her a few minutes and we'll get back. Alright, so after further investigations, I got this carb from the Amazon rainforest, so it's obviously not correct. Everything here is good. This is the original throttle cable, and where it goes through right here isn't big enough, because you're supposed to put this part of the threads through here and put a nut on the back and a nut on the top. So I'm gonna have to do some modifications, which ain't a big deal. I'm gonna cut that a little wider and drill that hole a little bigger and it'll work. But yeah, keep an eye out for that. Technically, all you gotta do is drill that hole out. You don't have to grind that because your throttle cable goes through that line right there. But yeah, we got her to work. She'll come back out and put that in. She had to go poop. You're not Suey. So while she's going poop real quick, I picked up this gas tank. It's a little rusty, but it actually holds fuel. I'll have Mrs. Karts clean it up. This side's not, oh yeah, it's got some bad spots too. She's gonna have to clean that up. Might do a fuel tank sealer on it, but maybe not. If we do, I got that, no big deal. I gotta pick up a battery. I gotta pick up some seating material, because I did my seat on mine and you can't even tell from distance. She looks good from far, but far from good. She's done taking a poop.
I didn't poop. I peed.
Alright, well, all you gotta do is put it back in. Another thing I gotta do is rebuild the rear end. This is actually the rear end out of the blue one. Yeah, I got all the bearings and seals and everything to do it, so we just gotta do that. That's another thing Mrs. Karts will do. She wants to paint the back. Pretty sure I got the red for that.
Yeah, you fixed it.
I fixed it. I put the throttle cable on there. So she's gonna get that back in there again. She's already done it 3 times. And we'll pick up the battery and see if this thing. Well, I still gotta wait for a part. We gotta wait for a rectifier.
We'll be here till next week.
This won't be here till next week. I ordered the wrong one. And to be honest with you, I think I got 2 of these wrong ones laying around. So it's the second time I've ordered. Yeah.
The one that's on the
That's
back?
why you had to order a new one, baby, just now.
That one is the right one?
Yeah, the one I ordered is the right one.
That's what I love.
I had this thing sitting outside all this time with the spark plug out, which is awesome. Where'd the spark plug go? Oh, there it is. Right now I don't have no spark, and I think it's because of the rectifier. But it's been sitting out in the backyard, no spark plug in it, like a big dumb goof. But the gas tank was on it, which kind of gave it some rain protection, and it was tucked up under my back awning. So, you got the carb on yet?
No.
Shake it.
On this side, so let's start with this one.
So she got it on without my help at all.
A little bit of help.
And yeah, just be aware if you order them carburetors from eBay, you might do a little bit of modification on them. It came with a throttle cable that's not even close to correct. There's Trevor's throttle or carburetor. Ordered this. I don't think I need it. It might. Here's a side cover for the carb. This one came with a filter. Good spark plug.
Okay.
Pretty tight. Pretty tight. But yeah, this is part 1 of Will It Run 1989 Honda TRX300 2-wheel drive. Thanks for watching. I'm a YouTuber.